So we're here in Istanbul in the clinic where we're doing the practical portion of this training. We have been training physicians for the past 15 years, so we have a lot of experience, and we keep on adding more and more information to keep you all in the loop of whatever is going on in integrative medicine, regenerative medicine. We had 25 doctors this time, and right now we're doing the practical portion where they see cases and they interact with the patients. It is a very interactive, hands-on process. It is a great time to come to one of those trainings because it's not, and I insist, it's not a regular medicine conference. It is a very detailed program that is designed to help physicians to implement regenerative medicine in their practice, and the doctors that are already doing it to get new information and to network with doctors that are doing the same all over the world.